Alright, so this is the next video for the Game Boy Advanced. Right, front view, right. I'm gonna do Alt 5 wireframe unshaded. Alt 5. Okay. Okay, so spacebar, looking from the top down, right? Orthographic. You cannot orbit or do anything in the orthographics. Only pan left and right, up and down, and zoom in and out. That's the limitation of the orthographic, which is its purpose. Okay, so here I need to add more resolution. See this? And this, and this. And right now, as I mentioned, it's just a plain old card, right? It's a flat card, which is fine because we're gonna shape out the footprint of it, right? And then extrude out from there. So I'm gonna select it and shift right click on top of it. I'm gonna choose multi-cut tool, right? Ignore the pink lines, I mean the yellow lines, the dots, ignore it. I'm just gonna place a, god dang, I'm gonna hover till it turns red, right? I'm gonna click on it, see? I just clicked on it when it turned red. Red means it got targeting lock on it. So I'm gonna just place a dot, right here. Right here, like this much distance, a good amount. Because I'm gonna shape out this curvature. So I'm gonna press W, right? Looks like nothing happened, but you see this and this, right click, vertex mode. So basically, essentially I put a vertex dot there. Whole point was I'm gonna grab it, I'm gonna start shaping it like that. I'm gonna go right click, shift right click. Ooh, see that? That's not what I want. I have to go inside here, shift right click. Okay, there's my tool again. I'm gonna just, right there, I'm gonna click once. See, press W. There's my vertex. Select it. Do that. Again, over here, hover over here, shift right click, multi-cut. And I'm just, the placement makes a huge difference. So I hovered and I click and I'm dragging. And I'm just doing equal distance to, like, see him, him, him. Press W. It all comes into play later. So grab that. Maybe, I don't know, maybe this one I may need to come up a little bit closer because I want a nice clean bend. You know. So shift right click, multi-cut. I'm gonna plop one here. Press W, get out of the tool, grab that, yank on it, maybe put one right here, a little bit closer, like maybe around here, because this curvature bend, right? Shift right click, multi-cut, maybe put one here, press W, grab it, do something like that. I'm zooming in, as you can see this here to here, shift right click, multi-cut, oof, delete it, click, cut, right there, click, press W, grab it, like that, then shift right click, multi-cut, click, click, right, good, I got it. Click outside, right, and then shift right click, multi-cut, click. Did I get it? No, I didn't. Damn. Click, W, grab it, that, grab this, maybe put it here, right, kind of just going up, making sure it's in the middle of the thick line. Also looking at my spacing. Over here, shift right click, multi-cut, right there, press W, grab it, boom. So as you can see, you know, nice like that. And then from there, it starts to straighten out more. And something tells me I should put one more here. I got 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, shift right click multi-cut. I think I'm gonna put one. Here's that one before. I'm gonna put, this is long. Maybe I'll just put it, yeah, something like here, right? Or maybe here, right here. Press W, get out of it. Something like that. Then I'm gonna grab, yeah, shift right click, multi-cut, and see this big old gap. And I'll just put one here. Just one over there. So I'll grab this, grab that. Grab that. So I got, I'm gonna go edge mode. So I got this. Let me tuck this out a little bit. Well, edge mode. So I got this. Vertex mode. So I'm gonna just highlight it to show what I just made. Okay. I have to be careful not to put too much, but this will be nice. And here, shift right click multi-cut. I'm gonna put one here. One. Put another one here. Okay, so it looks like I can put more than one. One here and a one there. For sure I could put another one here. Did it work? No. Okay, now it worked. And then I need to put one here. Then press W. Alright. So I'll grab this. I want to just plop it here. Grab that, plop it here. Right. Shift right click multi-cut. Plop one there. And anytime it gets closer to an area where there's going to be a transition of curve, maybe I need to come a little bit closer, right around here. And then multi-cut. Put a dot right there. Grab it. Okay, a little bit closer here. Right. So I'm gonna add one more here. I'm just trying to get a nice smooth curvature line. Right, so let me just count how many I made, so you can kind of get at least an idea. Total, I put 38 vertices. So from here to here is 38. And shift right click, multi-cut. I need to put one here. Damn it. Right, from over here I used the floating menu. Damn. Okay. W5, shift right click, multi-cut. Come on. Come on, give me a... Right there, okay, right there. Click, fine, good. When it turns red is when it's locked in. Anyway, I'll grab that. I'm gonna just... this is fine. I don't care if this does this. Grab that. What I do care is when it juts out like that. That, where it juts out, I need to have a nice line flow, basically, is what I'm saying. And also the spacing. See right here, this guy right here is kind of tightening up. So the spacing is, yeah. So boom. Boom, boom. See, there you go. Ba, 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 as you can see. So if I turn it off, see, the silhouette is very nice. Very, very nice. So total, all of this, including this line going like this, connecting here, right? 40. It may seem tedious, but the result will be nice. I'm gonna maintain the straight line, and see, the Game Boy Advance there's some organic feel to it, so you just have to deal with it. Shift right click, multi-cut. I'm gonna place a dot here, probably a dot here. So I place two. Press W to get out of it. I'm gonna grab this, put it like that. You see this, how it juts out? Kind of be careful about that. I'll have a nice line flow. See? See? Then grab this. Maybe do something like that. Grab that. This I'm not gonna lift. I'm just gonna push like this. Right? Right there. So main purpose is to get that nice line flow. And over here, I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna hide it. Excuse me. So there's some weird thing going on here, which I don't know exactly what this is. Press H. So that would be looking here, right? So boom. Do I have that? Looking here is going like that. So that's 13 minutes. See? Already got the footprint. What I want to do next is I'm gonna make one more create free image plane, right? And I'm gonna attribute editor, click on that, and I'm gonna find that one. I'm gonna press E as in Edward, hold J as in Jacob, click, 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 click. Select it again, just to make double sure, 90%. 90 rotation, put down. I'll just move it here. I just want to compare. I'm in my top view. I'm just comparing. Press 5, right? Yeah, this is pretty darn accurate. Yeah, this schematic is pretty accurate. Alright, it's flush. I'm comparing here. See, it's got unique curves, semi-organic. But yeah. Alright, so that looks fine. I'm gonna name this top-down photo. I'm gonna be sending off these images into your SyncSketch page as well, so you can use it if you want, because they're super helpful. Alright, so that's 15 minutes as well. So it may look like you know, slow start, but hey, no offense, but you chose this model, so you know, it's a little bit more tricky. But as you can see, we have the footprint set up. It's, you could tell, you know, you could envision when you extrude it, press F to frame it. When you extrude it up, right, already a good portion is already accomplished. Right now we just have to make sure to set the footprint very nicely. Yeah, so slight slowdown, but the overall result should be very nice. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I have a whole bunch of information. These are the construction history. I don't feel safe that all of it is here because it could potentially wreck your model. You never know. I'm gonna select both of it, and I'm gonna go edit, delete by type, history, wipes it out. Okay, and I'm gonna do Control Shift S. I'm gonna write in here. You know what? I'm just gonna name it cancel. Control Alt S, and it'll just be an incremental save. .0001 incremental. Yeah, and that's it. Bye.